Hi, Jack, how are you?
Hi Sarah, I am fine.
What new recipe did you try this summer?
I tried making a chilled cucumber and avocado soup.
What ingredients did you use for your summer recipe?
I used cucumbers, avocados, Greek yogurt, lime juice, garlic, and fresh dill.
How did you find the recipe?
I found the recipe online on a popular cooking blog.
What inspired you to try this particular recipe?
I wanted something light and refreshing to beat the summer heat.
How long did it take to prepare the recipe?
It took about 15 minutes to prepare the recipe.
Did you follow the recipe exactly or make any modifications?
I followed the recipe exactly the first time, but added extra lime juice for more tanginess the second time.
Was the recipe easy to follow?
Yes, the recipe was very straightforward and easy to follow.
Did you encounter any difficulties while preparing the recipe?
No, it was a pretty simple recipe without any difficulties.
How did the dish turn out?
The dish turned out great. It was creamy, flavorful, and very refreshing.
What did your family or friends think of the new recipe?
My family loved it and said it was perfect for a hot summer day.
Would you make this recipe again?
Yes, I would definitely make this recipe again.
Are there any variations of this recipe that you might try in the future?
I might try adding some fresh mint or basil next time for a different flavor profile.
What do you like most about this recipe?
I love how quick and easy it is to make, and how refreshing it tastes.
Did you serve the dish with any accompaniments?
Yes, I served it with some crusty bread and a side salad.
Would you recommend this recipe to others?
Absolutely. It's perfect for summer and very easy to prepare.
How did you store the leftovers?
I stored the leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator.
Did the leftovers taste just as good the next day?
Yes, the flavors were even more blended and tasted great the next day.
What other summer recipes are you planning to try?
I'm planning to try a watermelon feta salad and a grilled vegetable platter.
What tips would you give to someone trying this recipe for the first time?
Make sure to use ripe avocados and fresh lime juice for the best flavor.
How do you feel after successfully making a new recipe?
I feel accomplished and excited to try more new recipes.